Now we make a no color sweep faucets to show you how does it work. This handle controls the cold and hot water, and this controls the filtered water. So if you open this handle, mix handle, the water will go up by the hot and cold water from this pipe. So if you open the filtered water will flow out by the inside the channels, the pipe. So the filtered water and the mixed water did not contact each other. So let's make a testing. Okay, open the mixed water. Okay, go up. Okay. So the inside the filtered water channel, the mixed water did not contact with the mixed water. Okay, let's introduce the filtered water channels. This filtered water comes with these handles, and the inside the channel is made by fibers. The fiber did not contact with the mixed water, and it is individual channels. So, okay, we make the blue color, so it is reduced, did not contact with each other.